Good morning, everybody. Or no, actually, it's after lunch, so it's good afternoon. I'm losing track of time. So I'm continuing on with making these squares and doing different patterns. And so far I've been making, I'll just quickly show you in case this is the first video you've been seeing. I've been making different squares with different patterns and doing a tutorial. And there's this one here, that's the back. There's this one here, which is really lovely. That was the back. So I have different tutorials, and then this one, I really like this one. And that was back, it just looked like a rib stitch. So I have different tutorials, and then this one today is called the Purl Ridge Stitch. Purl Ridge Stitch, can't say it. And it's just a very simple stitch. I'm sure you've seen it before. And so I've done my little garter border on each side here. Once again, I forgot to do the bottom, but that's okay. I don't mind. I have no idea what I'm going to do with these squares. And so I'm using this colour scheme. I don't know if you see it. It's a mint colour. It's really pretty. So I've got a lemon, a pink, and this is like a really steely grey blue, and then this lovely mint colour. So I hope it's showing up. But anyway, so this is the pattern I've been doing, and I did get confused, so I had to go and get myself a little counter. It is very simple, so I'm sure you've seen it before. It is very common on baby cardigans, and I'd use this for a cardigan for myself. And this is what the back looked like, so it's not reversible, but I do love the front. I think it's very sweet and very easy. So I actually don't need to show you exactly how it's done, because I'm going to show you a pattern and you can take a screenshot, because it is so simple. So here you go. So the first row is just knit, the second row is just purl, the third and fourth row is knit. So that's all it is, 3 rows of knit and 1 row of purl. So take a screenshot of that. That's all it is. It is so simple that I actually don't really need to show you how to do it. It is so pretty. And you can see I had to go and get my counter, because right at the beginning I made a mistake and did too many knit rows. And then after that I was all right. But I'm not going to change it. These are just squares that I'm not really going to use for anything. I might actually sew them up so it looks like a blanket, but I'm not going to call it a blanket. You never know what I'll end up using them for. And so that's all it is. I don't actually really need to show you how to knit and purl. So I hope you took a screenshot of that. I'll show you one more time. The Purl Ridge Stitch. Row 1 knit, row 2 purl, rows 3 and 4 knit. So 3 rows of knit and 1 row of purl. So easy. So there you go. That is my very simple tutorial for you, and a very, very pretty little stitch pattern. So I hope you enjoy this very short tutorial. Thank you for watching. Bye.